So, as you can see guys, right now I'm on the Amazon Associate website, and once I'm logging into my Amazon Associate account and click on my earning report, you will see my total affiliate earning summary, which is around $3,530. But this is not my total earnings. My total earnings are around $3,309, which you can see over here, that I earned in January 2022. You can see almost everything over here, how many clicks I'm getting. Here I am getting 36,548 clicks. How many items are ordered? How many items are shipped? And the conversion rate. Here the conversion rate is 4.4%, which is a very good conversion rate, as I'm using free traffic sources to promote the products from Amazon. And the traffic source that I'm used to making this amount of money is YouTube Shorts. And in this video, I'm going to show you how you can make the same amount of money using YouTube Shorts without showing your face or even recording videos by yourself. Just you need to follow all the steps that I'm going to show you in this video to start making money using YouTube Shorts. But before we get into the video, make sure to subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification icon so that you will get notified every time I uploaded a brand new strategy to make money online on this channel. Okay, as you have subscribed, let's dive into the video. So, the very fast step is, we need to find great keywords to make our YouTube Shorts, and this is one of the most important steps. For finding great keywords, what you need to do, you need to come over to YouTube and then type a keyword phrase on the YouTube search bar. For example, if I search for something like top 10 books to it and then hit space, then YouTube will show us a bunch of keyword ideas that are currently searching on YouTube by lots of audiences. For example, the top 10 books to read for self-improvement, the top 10 books to read before you die, to become rich, for students, and so on. Each keyword that they are suggesting to us is a great keyword to make our YouTube Shorts. Again, if I input another phrase, something like books to read, and then hit space, you will see that the keyword suggestion has changed. In this case, YouTube suggests us some other keyword ideas, something like books to read for teenagers, books to read for self-improvement, books to read in 2022, and so on. These are the topic you can choose to make a 15-second short video. So for this video, I'm going to choose this keyword, books to read for self-improvement, because people who want to improve themselves are willing to read this kind of book for self-improvement, as we have found our video topic. Now in the second step, we need to write an effective script so that our shorts will generate more conversions. Here I am providing you with a short writing template that you can use to write your short script. In the short script writing template, first and foremost, you need to introduce our video topic so that people understand what they will get by watching this video. As we want to make videos on books for self-improvement, so we can write something like, today we are going to see a list of top 5 books for self-improvement. Secondly, we need to provide the list of books and what they will learn by reading those books. For example, the first book is Atomic Habit. Then we need to mention what they will learn by reading this book. If you don't know about Atomic Habits or any books, simply search on Google for what a man can learn by reading Atomic Habits, and Google will show you a lot of summaries. From this, you can easily understand what people can learn if they read Atomic Habits. For example, here Google shows us what Atomic Habit teaches you. Atomic Habit is a guide to building good habits and breaking bad ones by following a 4-step habit loop which includes cue, craving, response, and reward. So, we are including a line something like, by reading the book Atomic Habit, you will learn how to make good habits and break bad ones using 4-step process. In the following way, you need to mention all the book names one by one and explain to them what they will learn by reading those books. Now at the end of the script, you will also need to mention where they will get those books. You can mention something like, if you want to read those books, you can check out the link in the pinned comment section. Trust me, this one line will increase your conversion rate insanely. When you mention this line, then people will check out the link in the pinned comment section that includes your Amazon affiliate link. In this way, you need to write your short script. Once you have written your short script, then what you need to do, you need to voice over this script using a good quality microphone, or you can do this with your mobile phone also. Once you have recorded your voiceover, you need to proceed to the third step, which is creating YouTube Shorts. For creating YouTube Shorts, you can use canva.com, which is a free online tool that everyone can use to make shorts. After signing into canva.com, you need to do is to select a mobile video template, which is a portrait template, as YouTube Shorts are portrait. Now you need to download some book pictures as I am downloading them here. But don't just download random book pictures. You need to download pictures that look like you are capturing the picture by yourself. Here, I am downloading pictures that are held by hand, and you need to download book pictures that look like you are holding the books with your hand. Once you have downloaded all 5 self-improvement book images, then you need to come over to canva.com and click on the upload section. After that, click on Upload File and then select all the book pictures and uploaded them onto Canva. After that, click on the Elements section and search for the grid. Then drag and drop this grid element on all the slides. Then you need to search for a template, for example, self-improvement, and from these templates, you can use any of them. Here, I'm just dragging and dropping this simple template over here, and you can see that it will fit onto the timeline perfectly. Now you should edit the text. For example, you can write something like, the top 5 books for self-improvement. This font doesn't look good. You can change the font from here. Here, I am using this Anton font. After that, just go to the Upload section again and then drag and drop the image of the book onto the timeline one by one, and it will add it nicely to your timeline. By following the way, you can create your YouTube short videos within 30 minutes. Now, we have to add our voiceover. From the Upload section, simply upload your audio file. Here I am uploading simple background music from my computer. Once it is uploaded to canva.com, what you need to do, you need to simply adjust the audio with the length of the video. That's it. Once you have done all of the edits, you can see the preview from here. If you like the preview of the shorts, then you can download that short video by clicking on the share button, then simply click on download, and it will start downloading the video. We have downloaded our short video. Let's see how it looks like. See, it will look really professional. Although I will make the shorts within just 5 minutes, you can create a better one if you spend some more time. Now, we need to just upload the shorts on YouTube, which is a very simple process that I'm not going to show you in this video. Now I'm going to show you how you can monetize YouTube Shorts. To monetize YouTube Shorts, come over to the Amazon Associate website. Then you need to create a free account on Amazon Associate to become an affiliate on Amazon. Just simply click on Sign In, and then click on Create Your Amazon Account. Then enter your first and last name, email, and password, and you will be able to create your free Amazon affiliate account. Once you have created your Amazon affiliate account, then I want you to come over Amazon website and search for the Atomic Habits book or the books that you have talked about in your short video. This is the best-selling book on Amazon since you are joining as an Amazon affiliate. That's why you will get an Amazon affiliate link over here. What you need to do, you need to simply copy that link and paste the link into your YouTube Shorts. That's it. Not only that, you can also promote audiobooks from Audible. If you don't know what Audible is, basically, Audible is an audiobook service from Amazon that sells and produces spoken audio content. Listeners can download or stream their chosen books or content with a membership to Audible. If your visitors purchase a gold digital membership, you will get a $10 commission, and if anyone can purchase just free digital membership, you will get $5 commission. And just from downloading one audiobook, you will get 50 cents commission. Let's say you just have 1,000 sales with the link of Audible. And if they are just purchasing a free digital membership of $5, then you will make around $5,000 per month. So, in this way, you can make money using this type of YouTube short. You may now watch the video shown on the screen to learn more about Cash Cow YouTube Shorts channel ideas. And make sure to subscribe and turn on the notification icon to get notified first. Thanks for watching so far. See you in the next video.